Hello students, today our topic is chapter number 9, safety rules. In this chapter we are going to know about safety rules at various places. We know some safety rules in previous classes and now we will learn some more. So if we are not careful, we might hurt ourselves. Staying safe means to avoid being hurt. If we follow safety rules, we can always keep ourselves safe. Safety rules help to protect us from injury and pain. We can keep ourselves safe at various places by following some simple safety rules, like safety at home. So, do not play with fire and matchsticks. Do not play with knives, blades, and other sharp objects. Keep toys in their correct places. If left on the floor, you may trip over them and fall. So do not play with broken toys. Do not insert your fingers into the electric sockets. So do not touch electric goods with wet hands. Do not run on slippery floors as you may slip. And be careful while climbing up and going down to the stairs. Now, safety on the road. So do not play on the road. Always walk on the pavement. Cross the road at the zebra crossing only. So cross the road only after looking first to the right and then to the left and then again to the right. So safety at the playground. So do not push each other. Always wait for your turn on the swings. So do not stand in front of a swing on a slide. Always slide down feet first. Do not jump off the seesaw. Now safety on the bus. Stand in a queue to get into the bus. Do not try to get into or out of a moving bus. So do not put any part of our body out of the moving vehicle. Sit quietly in the bus. Do not disturb the driver. Now some safety rules in the swimming pool. Always swim along with a grown-up person. If you are a beginner means a person who starts to learn something. If you are a beginner, use a floater, a rubber tube and an armband. Do not go into the deep water. Do not push anyone into the swimming pool, and if you need help, shout out to the lifeguard. Now some safety rules during festivals. So on Diwali, light candles and diyas only when a grown-up person is around. Play Holi only with safe herbal colors, and when you are in a large crowd at a fair or at a place of worship, remember to hold your parents' hand. Do not go anywhere on your own. So beginner means a person who starts to learn something, and herbal means made with herbs. So you can stay safe by being careful and by following safety rules. Do not play with fire and matchsticks. Do not insert your finger in electric sockets, or do not touch your switchboard with wet hands. Cross the road at zebra crossing only. Always look to your right, then left and then right again before crossing the road, and be careful while climbing the stairs and getting all slides. Do not put any part of your body out of a moving vehicle. Never get on or out of a moving bus. Always swim with a grown-up person. Use a floater, an armband and a rubber tube till you learn to swim properly.